from Central Park.
Whoa!
Woo! Right next to us, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Samantha.
And this is
My Butt and Me in NYC. So this week we went to the Upper East Side where the Sweet Shop is, and it's this little vintage candy store that they sell ice cream and cookies and candy and treats, and it's amazing, you guys. I mean, the walls are lined with all sorts of sweet treats that you could ever imagine, never dream of.
And they also have a little kitty cone you'll have to see on the vlog that I got. Perfect for kids.
Yeah. It's exciting.
We're going to the Sweet Shop. We're super excited. Look at this.
Test it out. The sweetest landmark on the Upper East Side.
Everything looks so good. I mean, we can't even decide. I think I want a cookie, and Sarah thinks she wants candy. I want both.
Okay, now let's go. Get us some pizza?
Yeah, I ordered pizza.
Really? It looks like candy.
It's Sarah's pizza. Pizza.
Pizza, pizza. Wow, thank you.
What kind is it? Raspberry sorbet?
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's got a kick to it.
Or the tiny cone, I
Almost
guess.
peppery. Really? Wow.
I'm getting a lot.
Then after the Sweet Shop, we went to Rooftop Cinemas.
It was at the Embassy Suites Hotel on the 3rd floor, so it's not like crazy high rooftop, but the experience is so worth it.
I almost liked it better because you are kind of surrounded by buildings and you really feel the heart of New York City, where, I mean, there's a huge building here, you see buildings all to your left, and it was just really awesome. You're like, oh my gosh, I'm outside on a rooftop in New York City watching a movie, and guess what we saw? Mean Girls.
Mean Girls.
It was fetch.
Hi, Gretchen.
What's going on there, bud? Nothing. She got hungry.
I did. I was starving.
Bud, what did you do today? Well, let's just say I met Bradley Cooper's daughter. Average day of a nanny. Free popcorn. Why, bud?
Because we're celebrities from the vlog.
I'm gonna eat it all.
Me too.
Okay, there you go. I did it.
If I was a Mean Girl character.
You would be hilarious, and you would be the girl who's like, I just want us all to be happy and love each other, and then they're like, she doesn't even go here.
You shouldn't even go to this school. Get off the stage.
No.
Samantha would be the part where Katie Heron walks into the Halloween party dressed up as a zombie. What if she's a zombie
But
bride
she
or
goes
something?
all out. She's like, Halloween, I'm ready. I'm bringing out my best costume. And everyone else is in all these like cute little outfits.
That'd be her. in remembrance of 9/11, we decided to make homemade chocolate chip cookies and bring them to our local firefighters.
It was just a really powerful energy here in the city this week, so we wanted to do something that would give back, and so what do we know how to do best but bake cookies?
Is this thing on?
You know, we could put the EE sound effect on it and you don't have to say it.
And now for our favorite section, baking with fun! Look at, I'm a mixing bowl.
Look, it looks like my hand has no wrist.
Wow, we're incredible.
We're making homemade, from scratch, chocolate chip cookies. And to make this more exciting,
What?
Bud doesn't even know this part of the section yet.
What?
We're gonna do it from memory.
I need a hand.
We went all the way to Brooklyn for a stool.
But my foot. What?
Something smells in this house.
All the way.
But this is as much as I got.
Okay,
I haven't been to the gym in a long time. This is all I got.
Move over. Cannoli?
No, we don't put oil in cookies.
No canary in a cage for me. Our neighbors are gonna hate us.
You're right, it's midnight and we're singing.
Dry ingredients.
No, that is not the order it goes.
What ingredients?
No.
Eggs.
First it goes butter, then sugar.
Do we need all large or jumbo eggs?
You know, sometimes your humor is a dad joke humor.
I'm okay with that.
Okay, everyone. Your first baking tip from Bud is that when baking cookies, the butter should be softened and not melted, because if it's melted,
Then, let me finish. It won't rise. Let me tell you right here, it won't rise.
that's true. So we're gonna soften the butter.
Soften. How do you spell soften?
S-O-F-T-E-N. Oh, let me put it in. It's ready. Oh, that is perfectly soft.
Thank you.
Wow. Thank you, Sarah. Half a
Kidding,
cup.
folks.
Oh my gosh! What? This is not exact! You're fired. You're not measuring for the rest of the cookie. No! Half cup! Not 1 cup!
I'm back at it.
That was not a full cup.
No one can stop me now.
I'm about to stop you.
And we bake. Okay, you guys want to see them? I'll show you. Too bad Bud can't do. You know what? I thought tonight honestly.
Yeah.
Tonight. That's the wrong button.
I think we've eaten too many sweets today.
I've eaten way too many sweets.
My tummy hurts too much.
Oh.
Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain. I can hear you. Aye, aye, Captain. Oh.
And you guys thought I was weird. Check it out. This has been Baking with Bud.
Okay, everyone, we are on our way to the fire department. We have our cookies in hand and a thank you note. Here we go.
We're thankful.
Everyone, we got to meet like 6 or 7 firefighters. They're super nice and seemed super excited about the cookies, and maybe this can inspire you to go make some cookies for your local fire station or police station or some kind of organization that gives back to your community, and celebrate them and surprise them with something fun. So, woohoo! Thanks so much for watching, and we hope you'll tune in next week for
Sights, service, and sweet treats in NYC.
Bye, y'all!
See you later.